Hello everybody, this is Juan back again with the review, and today I'm bringing you a review of a DC Universe figure. Guy's name is Guardian. Nothing before it, nothing after it, just Guardian. Quick little biography on Guardian, since he's a DC Universe figure. Most of these guys come with a lot of big biography in the back of themselves, on the back of little cards. Biography says, Jim Harper was an ordinary rookie cop when he donned a costume, took up a shield, and became the crime fighter known as the Guardian. He soon found himself battling alongside other costume crime fighters against larger scale menaces, but he took on his greatest responsibility when he became the leader of the youths known as the Newsboy Legion. They helped him fight injustice, and he helped them finish their homework. So, pretty interesting biography. To be honest, not really. It sounds kind of lame to me. Newsboy Legion, homework, whatever. His statistics, not really statistics, more like, little info about him. His first appearance was in Star Spangled Comics number 7 way back in 1942. His real name is Jim Harper. Occupation is a policeman, crime fighter. Base of operations, Metropolis. Special abilities, superior athlete. Possesses nearly indestructible shield and helmet. So, I guess he can really just defend himself. He does have that shield. Little side note is that everybody's familiar with Captain America, right? And everybody knows that was one of Jack Kirby's design. He used to work at Marvel. When he went on to DC, he used his design for Captain America and made Guardian. So, when you see him, you're about to see some similarities between him and Captain America. Let's move him in a little bit closer so he can get focused in. There we go. So yeah, he has the shield. Like I said, Jack Kirby, that was the design. He brought it over to Marvel, and voila, you get the Guardian. A little thing with DC is that with Jack Kirby, he used a lot of his designs from Marvel and used them into DC, as nobody ever knew that. Quick little note. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get on to the figure. Don't really do good with these little side notes. Anyways, the figure is really nice. He does have this nice color scheme, this matted blue, and this bright yellow that goes along with him. It doesn't really take away from the figure. As a matter of fact, it's enough detail for him to get by. He does have this nice little sheen that goes around him, so you can actually see the little molded in details that go within him, like his muscles and things like so. His shield is pretty bland. I mean, nothing special. It just looks like a flat piece of plastic, and it's pretty soft too. Let's take it off for a while and let's actually get onto the figure. Little note about my figure, he does have a loose head, so you can kind of hear it rattling. It's not really stuck in there that well, and I don't want to take it off because I don't want to break the connection that it's in there. I know it's on a ball joint, but I'm not trying to risk it. He does have rotation, which can easily move around 360. He can move up and down. He does have rotation here in the arms. Can rotate 360 as well. Can go outwards and inwards. He does have rotation here at the bicep. Has an elbow joint. And he has a wrist. Amazing. Same thing on the other side. And he does have a joint here at the abdomen. Can go pretty far back. And can go about this much forward. So yeah. He does have articulation here as well. In the waist, he can rotate 360. He can go forwards and back. Can spread his legs out as so. But he does have that weird joint that DC Universe figures have. Yeah, anyways, he does have another rotation joint up here at the upper thigh. He does have a knee, which can go about this far, and he has one at the ankle. Can't really do much here. I mean, he can kind of move this a little bit, and that's about it. He can pose very well. I mean, even for his articulation that he has, I mean, it's not as superior as, let's say, some of the early Marvel Legends from Toy Biz. But anyways, you can get him in some nice poses, and his accessory does give him a bit of personality. You can put it like so and give him a heroic stance as he stands, watching over the city. There we go. Yeah, see, like I had said, it does look nice. I mean, his eyes, you can clearly see them in the helmet. It's pretty nice. Helmet again is also bland, but what it doesn't really take away, like I had said, it actually gives him his character, you know. If you're very familiar with this guy, then he's a perfect interpretation in toy form. But yeah, other than that, he's a really good figure. He is part of the DC Universe wave, which comes with Chemo. And for you guys who don't know, I do have all the figures, and I am going to review all of them, and I'm going to lead it to Chemo. So look forward to that, and, you know, other than that, he's a good figure. I mean, he is the standard DC Universe body, so, you know, you are going to get the same articulation all around. It's just the character is pretty interesting. He's really nice. He displays very well, like I had mentioned, and like how you see his cell. Yeah, there's nothing really much you can add to him. He's just a normal figure, you know. But yeah, if you have a chance to find these guys for a good price, you know, because I highly doubt you can find them still at the stores, and it is kind of a earlier wave. But if you are able to find some of these guys, and if you're able to find him, I would recommend picking him up. He does come with a piece of Chemo. He comes with the right leg, so, you know, just in case you're looking out for that guy. So yeah, this is Juan with another review, and be sure to tune in, and I'll be with more reviews. Hopefully sooner than later, because I am going on a trip, and most likely that will delay some of these videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.